Hey guys, my name is Tehila and this is my sister Talia. And today we are on Chicks Mangi's channel. We are gonna be baking. If you go to Anquista's channel, you might find us there. You will find us there. We have baked a chocolate cake, and today we are gonna be baking a yummy sweet cake. So please join us in the kitchen. Subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you.
So, Tahila and Tadia, we measure 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we sieve. Gonga kwa nguvu, nguvu, nguvu. Gonga, anza.
Okay.
This is how you break an egg, like this one. Like this. Oh no. You see? Yes. You don't have to use a lot of energy.
I use a lot of
To the room, I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
So guys, our preparation with Tari and Tahila is ready. So on to our next process of mixing all of them. So guys, stay tuned, give this video a like, subscribe if not yet subscribed, press the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you will be notified. Watch till the end, guys. No, that's a lot.